Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel gives the Big Bang against Einstein, quantum mechanics, things like this. So Alitzur, this guy, a Jew, defending a Jew, Einstein was a Jew. So look, I cut from other videos in video and I comment them. I explain to you. So look.
We are at the verge of a huge revolution, which is at the magnitude of relativity and quantum mechanics at the beginning of the 20th century. Every time that there is in physics two theories which are not compatible with one another, that is the beginning of the adventure. The debate is not only between scientists and historians or philosophers. The debate is within theoretical physics. Yes, special relativity, even general relativity, has been proven in all kinds of experiments. But
Okay, this is equal mc square. Okay, so we're saying Einstein was proving many times, where maybe in their heads you see 100 grams mass times c square and you find the energy. Okay, but if you split on the wire, but the energy is light. So this is how the Einstein is wrong. You see, energy is due to a frequency, past different frequencies. You see, through the same mass. So as Einstein relation with the frequency does not. So you are proud in your head, you are believing that you see. So watch another part. I'm telling you about Einstein, dude. Elitzur, like a Jew, defending a Jew, but there's no proof Einstein is wrong physics. So look.
the collision between quantum mechanics and special and general relativity is being as sharper and sharper every day. And physics today, theoretical physics today, is still within a great controversy between these two, a great clash between these two theories. So here you have experiments in quantum mechanics which tell you that if two particles are being measured at the same time at different places, something, although not information, is going between them faster than the speed of light at infinite velocity. It's not information, but there is something. This is something which goes against special relativity, even general relativity. There is a problem here, but it's much worse. So many experiments in quantum mechanics tells you that when you make a measurement, you don't affect the particle in the sense that its future moments are being affected. You affect it also backwards, which means something really crazy. It means that it is not only that the future is open, but the past is not fixed, at least at the quantum level. We have papers on that. We have experiments which have been proved recently. I believe I showed such a paper. I presented such a paper in a conference which you were present.
You watch that, you see energy. It is light. As you see, I change frequencies on the same mass. You see? So where is in Einstein equations this? Where? You see another thing. He is writing like a K, small K like this. You do not understand. Einstein did not knew great physics. So you know what there is kinetic energy. But you know what kinetic energy is? Kinetic energy is movement energy made by Leibniz. So now because he named it energy, because Newton named it force. So you do not understand, you cannot control this. You see, 1.5 times mass velocity square. So Einstein took and confused even with kinetic energy of impact. Leibniz named like Newton force. In the same time, he did not name it force. Newton named it force. This impact force, he named it energy. Kinetic energy. Now you are believing somehow that Einstein did this energy, like splitting this rock. So the quantums bias inside. You look inside like a quantums. So watch another part, and I will speak you the truth.
So we are at the verge of a huge revolution, which is at the magnitude of relativity and quantum mechanics at the beginning of the 20th century. There is something very important about scientists being humans, as Jimena says, but the schism is within theoretical physics itself. So many paradoxes, which tell you that this picture, nice picture of 4 dimensions and all events being there, is far from being the truth.
So you see, we are in a verge of combination of quantum with like quantum is light also. You see, so now he's telling you that it is working with photons and shoots photons, but you not understand that it's not relation, is not hit you like with force. A force is defined exactly mass times. If you want to conserve the concept and the science, you must name a force that hits with mass. But we do not have anything in deal with the mass, you see, through the same mass I vary the frequency, you see. So but if I put much energy, I burn the cables, I will, you see. So there's a relation with mass. So maybe you push a mass, okay. So what they did, what Einstein did, what a verge of, you see. And then he says that the future is being built, nice and in a philosophical manner, but I would see is not going to be built, it's going to follow, you see. That's the prediction, okay. So if you understand, if not, okay, let me tell you like this. The stars are small pudding clouds, they are not like our sun, they are not using, and Einstein was invented to trick you. In Hubble pictures, light is bending to any surface, so there is a surface, and they expected us to see that, and they invented Einstein, they bended pure space. They took somebody, maybe they will take another guy, but you see, you are afraid of, or like contradict Jews, okay. This is a small cloud, this is black clouds, and all the star, this is a star, all of these of stars, the stars do not are related with attraction, gravity. This is a small star, and we cannot see the galaxies, the galaxy, the universe, the galaxies. We can see the galaxies, but they are stars. The galaxies through these black clouds. Okay, the stars are small. Okay, so this is their sign, my friend. When you find this, you will find how they were taking one from another, and so now are pretending they do some experiments in a laboratory. They hit with a.
Let me just give one example, and then I'll finish. A single photon hits a half-silvered mirror. You have two detectors here. I made some money with this. One of them is going to give you a click, and the other is not going to give you a click. Nothing in physics can tell you. My scientific grandfather, David Bohm, who was the advisor of Yakir Aharonov, believed in some hidden variables. There are no hidden variables. So here are two possible events in the future, which nothing in the present can tell you which of them will occur. That tells you that the future in some very profound way does not exist. Not only for you and Jimena and me. In some profound way, it does not exist, and it is being built. Our world is being built, our universe is adding an event after event in a way which is still a mystery to physics. But there is a lot of physics in it.
Like psychopath sign like this, double split experiment with a double with mass and wave. Can you put in a occasion all the musics? You do not understand. This is infinite frequency, and you have so many instruments. How many there are, you cannot understand. So the red has its infinite tonalities like this, with many relation. Can you do it? Put it in a psychopath sign like this, Schrödinger said. So quantum, inside the rock here, you see the finest thing that it is light. And you see it with your naked eye. You see inside the rock, yes, okay, this side is quantum. Okay, goodbye. Elitsur, dude, you are tricked, okay, and you are not controlling your logics in a current manner. We can go to the stars, we can go to the planets. This is a simple star, close in the present day. The light emitted is present day, okay, and these planets, we can colonize them, but not with this science, with engineering science. Goodbye, God bless.